Hey guys, Dan here. Today we're doing beef shins. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to trim, season and smoke this beef shin until it's tender. We want to wrap it about a couple of hours in and just make sure it's nice and tender when we pull it. We'll use this for leftovers, for pizzas, for anything that you may want to use. And it's a good alternative to your oyster blade and other cuts of beef for pulled beef. You're gonna love this one, check it out. So what we're doing here is just taking off any of the loose fat, stuff that you don't want to eat. You just want to take off anything that's overhanging and also the silver skin underneath the beef shin, as it can be chewy. Now this is what you should be left with post-trim. Now today we want to get a nice crust on this beef shin. So we're going to use our brisket plus ancho combo. Now that is both our rubs put together of the brisket and the ancho espresso. And it just comes like this already pre-mixed for you, which takes the headache out for you. Now we want to give this a heavy coat and then whack it in the smoker. So today we're cooking on the Traeger 885 and we're actually running this pit at 275 and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So in between is just fine. That's the sweet spot. Now this is what it looks like about 2 hours in. Delicious. So about 4 hours into the cook, we're actually just going to wrap this guy. Now we want to just put this in foil. Now today we're going to use a little bit of Kinda Sweet, mixed with a little bit of water, just to get a little bit more flavour into this. Now the bark and the meat is enough with the seasoning, but just a little bit of sweetness from the Kinda Sweet and a little bit of water just to make sure it steams nicely in the packaging. Now this is the hardest part, letting it rest. Now this guy waited for about 45 minutes at room temperature, just lightly covered, just because we didn't want to lose any more time and wanted to eat this. Now unfortunately my camera went a little bit out of focus, but just to show you how tender it is, it was just falling apart. Now keep in mind this was a 7-hour cook, 4 hours unwrapped and about 3 hours in the packaging and 45-minute rest. All right, moment of truth. Beef shin, just rested. Tender, nice flavour from the bark, quite a nice black pepper. Sweet from the Kinda Sweet, but just perfect balance. Gotta give this one a try. Well, that's it for another video, guys. If you like this episode, please hit the subscribe button. Please comment in the YouTube comments below. If you have any questions for us, please hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, and also in the comment section below on YouTube. If you haven't reviewed any of these products, please feel free to do so and hit us up on our website. If you haven't tried these products, please feel free to do so. They're, again, best on the market. That's at lanesbbq.com.au. That's lanesbbq.com.au. Till next time, guys, have a great week.